Hey there, this is Dee with Digitech Drive, and in this video I'll be talking about another AI content creator tool called Article Forge. You can get high quality content in a matter of a few clicks. Article Forge uses AI to write entire articles with the same quality as a human for a fraction of the cost. So this is what the dashboard looks like. You have the option to create a new article. You have the option to see the list of articles you've already created or the list of articles already generated by Article Forge. You have the option to connect your WordPress site. It automatically generates and posts the articles to your WordPress site. You have a post scheduler that schedules your post for you. You can set that up as well. I'm going to share a video where you can see how that's done. You have the option to check out your usage information. You can know how much you've consumed already, the number of words you've already used, and what's left. See, in my case, I have 25,000 words available for the month, but I haven't used any yet. And you have the option to upgrade. You can pick the plan that works best for you. This tool comes with a free trial for a number of days, about 5 days. So you have the $13 per month option, $27 per month, and $57 per month. They all have the same features, and what makes the difference is the number of words you're allowed to use per month. You can see with the unlimited package, we have unlimited words available to you. Alright, so let's try to create a new article. Let's say we want to write an article about the best online business planning tools. Best online business planning tools. Let's say this is the keyword of the article you love Article Forge to generate. You can choose your language. Let's leave it as English. Then you have the option to switch to bulk article generator. I'm going to show you a video that's going to explain how to use this option, but for now let's go with the simple creation of a unique article. So let's assume our keyword is best online business planning tools. You can select the length you would love your article to have. There's 250 words. The maximum is 1,500 words. For the sake of this tutorial, let's go with 500 words. You can add titles. Yeah, this has to be on. Add section headings to result in higher quality and more organized articles. So when you select that, you have the option to select section headings and auto-generate section headings as well. This is amazing, guys. You also have the option to add an image to your article, add a video to your article, replace keywords with links. So if there are any keywords in your article generated by Article Forge, it's going to replace those keywords with links. This is amazing. If you're into affiliate marketing, you can know the power of having links in your article, which you can convert to affiliate links later on. You can also set up the option to post the article to your WordPress blog, and these can only be activated if you've connected a WordPress blog to your Article Forge account. If you want to create various versions of the same article, you can create a Word AI account and connect it to this Article Forge, and it's going to create unique versions of your article. If you'd like me to do a review of Word AI, just drop a comment in the comment section and let me know, and I'll be reviewing Word AI for you and how you can connect it to your Article Forge account. For now, let's click on Create New Article and see what Article Forge has for us. It's going to take some time. While waiting for the article to be generated, since it's going to take some time, let's switch to the bulk article generator and see how it works. So guys, as you can see, the bulk article generator is amazing. It saves you tons and tons of time and resources and money. If you want to get a head start with this, just switch to the bulk article generator option and generate several articles. As you can see, our single article is still being generated. It's 500 words, and maybe that's why it's taking a lot of time. If we had chosen 1,500 words, it's going to go even longer. If we took the shortest option, which was 250 words, this is going to be faster. For now, let's look at the post scheduler option and see how it works. Alright, so that was it for the post scheduler. Now our article is ready and we can click here to see the result. And there you go. The article even created an image for us based on the title we chose, the best online business planning tools. Again, if you don't like this image, you can always take it off and replace it with an image you'd rather prefer. You asked for the best online business planning tools and it automatically selected a number of them: Plan Guru, Beast Plan, Toggle Plan, Life Plan. And this is the video that it's also generated that relates to the title you chose. So let's read out a paragraph and see if it makes sense or if it's readable. Plan Guru can help you create a business plan by integrating a cash flow statement, income statement, and balance sheet into one financial model. You can also track the progress of your financial plan and receive updates from Plan Guru's analysts. If you need help creating your business plan, you can also attend the online Plan Guru University. This class is 7 hours long and teaches financial planning. The quality of the content is good. It doesn't sound like it was written by a robot. So you may want to consider using this tool to speed up your writing process. On days when you don't feel like you got the right inspiration or the right words to write, you have an idea, if you just have the title you want, you can jump into Article Forge and generate a great article like this. If you want to integrate this article into another blog or another platform using HTML, you can just click on this HTML and copy the HTML code and paste it in another platform where you'd love your article to be displayed. You can export this as text, as HTML, as PDF, or post to WordPress. You can also spin the article to generate another unique version of the same article. Guys, this is amazing. You can also rewrite the article entirely with Word AI. Alright guys, that was it for Article Forge. If you like this video, if you think that this tool is going to be useful to you, please do not hesitate to get started with a free trial. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out, and feel free to create as many articles as you want. You You can create articles for your website, for your new product, your social media. There's just so many ideas you can generate and so many articles you can write using Article Forge. And some of you may be asking, how does this affect content creators given Google's newest update? Google claims this update is going to reward sites that are helpful to searchers and punish sites that are unhelpful. Now, what does this mean for automatically generated content? For many tools, especially the ones powered by GPT-3, this is a bad thing. GPT-3 cannot do any external research, and as a result, you get articles that might look good but don't have any meaning and aren't truly helpful to your audience. Article Forge doesn't use GPT-3. Article Forge states that they do not use GPT-3, and it's not even in the top 20 models that they use in their AI writing. It says our grader was trained using a model architecture that performs better than humans and was further improved with thousands of hours of intense work from our team of linguists. In the end, this grader actually does a better job grading the helpfulness of a sentence than a human does. This better than human performance means that Article Forge can truly create content that Google and humans will love. You can see that Article Forge is a great tool, and it won't affect the quality of your content created. You don't have to worry about Google's latest update. If you've already been creating articles with Article Forge, you are on the right track, guys. So check out the link in the description below and get started with your AI content creation process. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos, and let me know in the comment section what other reviews you'd love to hear from me. Thank you.